son tradiciones, son creencias.
No. Oh, lunchtime. Thank you. Thank you.
Is this alcohol? No. Oh, okay.
Don't know what this green stuff is, but they gave it to us. I don't think so. This ain't give you one. Where? Authentic Mexican food. So let me pick out.
Are we doing any more tours?
This.
I was thinking about the jungle cruise. Have you done that?
Fabulous.
We drive a boat. They give everyone their own boats.
Authentic Mexican tacos right
And then
here.
you
Queso on it.
in the race, and then you get back in the boat.
Super good. Super good.
Para nosotros en cerca, a base de ofrendas, de toques de caracol y de tambor, a los 4 puntos cardinales, a los 4 puntos de... Where are you from?
Maryland, United States.
Welcome. Okay, the line three, side tequila, actitud. 1, 2, 3, tequila! Panen, mayen! Takabay, sukunes! Yuchkanen yung botik tej, maya! Para realizar este video, okay. Just like you do it back home.
Oh, right.
Ya. Así como lo hacen en casa, ¿no? No.
It's a Mexican blender.
It's a Mexican blender, yes.
Yeah, it is a blender.
Look.
It's an old blender. But I don't want really. I don't want to because I feel fat.
Yes. So right there we have a cinnamon and how do you call this one? Clavos. ¿Cómo se llaman los clavos en inglés?
Cloves, okay. So see, you done this before. See, cloves, cinnamon,
Canela.
cinnamon, canela, yes. Cinnamon, yes. Come on, you can do it. Yes. Sure. Good, huh?
What is that?
Achiote is called achiote.
What is that?
It's called a chote.
Is it spice?
We gonna try it?
I'm not sure.
What is that?
She's making tortillas.
Oh, tortillas. How you know?
Handmade. Hola.
Como esto, Gustavo lo va a hacer ver como esto. Gustavo va a usar diferentes cuarzos para decorar. So Gustavo is gonna use different quartz to decorate the stones.
It starts out of this right there. Gustavo.
Look at this one. Es una pieza sólida de obsidiana decorada con jade, lápiz lazuli. Tiene venturina roja y venturina azul. It has venturine, jade. Obviously, it's a solid piece of obsidian. See? Look how it shines.
We're up in a gift shop. A lot of dope stuff. A lot of memorabilia. Couldn't get it out. I think this is black obsidian. Man, look at these dope sculpture pieces. Dope to have a piece of art up in the crib. Nice. We got tons of stuff in here, guys. Tons of stuff. So if you want to take something home, back to where you are, a piece of Mexico, they got it here. Stuff on stuff. Everywhere. That's dope. Got a chessboard. Everything. Y'all gonna have to fill me in the comments if y'all know what this is. I'm not sure. Looks like some type of honey. Yeah, 100% natural. 25 bucks. So people that's in the, drinking honey natural, straight up, they got it. What's these, like the crunchy, dang, I just knocked this whole little thing over. Sorry. This like the crunchy little worms or centipedes or something that I was seeing people eating. Lots of stuff. The center right here, center of the city. Is that 3 scoops? Yeah, I think all of them 3 scoops. Nice. Right. Got my ice cream. Authentic Mexican ice cream. It's pretty good. Cookies and cream, y'all. Cookies and cream. Where'd you at? About to get live. All right, man. That is it for today. It was a long one, but we had a blast. We had a blast, man. So thank y'all for checking out this one. Look, we're here still for a couple more days. I'm gonna be dropping more videos. We got another excursion planned in 2 more days. 2 more days. So we've been here for what, two days so far? 2 days so far. We flying. Yeah, we've been here for 2 days so far. So yeah, a couple more days to celebrate Jay's birthday. We got an excursion right on her birthday, so be sure to check that one out. That's gonna be another dope one. Today, man, I think my best part of today was, man, diving in that cave. We went to DR. Check out DR. Check out the DR video. We was in Punta Cana last year. We went to the cave, but we punked out. We ain't jump in. This one, we jumped in. Well, we got it. We didn't jump in, but we said the next one we had to stand up on the top and jump in. I don't know how that's going to be, but that was going to be crazy. But thank y'all for checking out the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. And as I always say, stay positive, stay motivated.